sexual reproduction in the flowering plants. All the flowering plants show the sexual mode of reproduction. Flowers are the fascinating organs of the angiosperms. They are the fascinating organs in the angiosperms. Human beings have an intimate or deep relationships with the flowers. They convey them as the flowers convey human feelings such as love, affection, and happiness. Some of the feelings that they convey to the human beings. Okay. Several hormonal and structural changes result in the development of a flower or a floral primordium. Several hormonal changes in the hormone as well as the changes in the structure result in the development of the flower or floral primordium. Flower is also known as floral primordium. Inflorescence bear the flower buds and then the flowers. What is inflorescence? Inflorescence is the arrangement of flowers. It is the arrangement of flowers on a plant. It is the arrangement of flowers on a plant which bears the flower buds and then the flowers. Is the diagrammatic representation of LS of a flower. Okay. Flower consists of the four very important parts. It consists of the four very important parts. They are sepals, petals, stamens. Stamens is also known as androeciums, and carpel. Carpel is also known as pistil. Okay, here stamens. What are stamens? Stamens are the male reproductive part, and carpels are the female reproductive parts. Understood? Stamens are the male reproductive part, carpel are the female reproductive part. First we will learn in the structure of the sepals. This is the green structure. This is the structure of the sepal. This is sepal, which is a small leaf-like structures growing at the base of the petals. It is growing at the base of the petals. Okay, they are the outermost wall of the flower. These sepals are also known as calyx. Okay, now comes petals. These are the petals. Petals are also known as corolla. What are the properties of the features of the petals are? They attract pollinators such as insects, butterflies, etc. Attraction is the main function of the petals. Stamens are the male reproductive part of a flower. They are also known as androecium. Okay, stamens are mainly divided into two parts. That is filament and anther. Filament and anther are the two types present in the male reproductive part, that is stamen or androecium. Okay, this is the filament. Filament is a long slender stalk. It is long, right? It is a long slender stalk. And anther is a bilobed structure. This is a bilobed structure. Comes carpel or pistil. Carpel or pistil are the female reproductive part of a flower. It is also known as gynoecium. Okay. This is ovary which consists of ovules. Flowers are the reproductive parts of a plant. They are the main reproductive part of the plant. It consists of the two important parts, that is androecium, also known as stamens, whereas gynoecium, also known as carpels or pistil. Androecium is the male reproductive part and gynoecium is the female reproductive part which develop in the flower.